Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Gmail login suspicious activity. Quick fix step by step clearly. Open Gmail in a trusted browser like Chrome or Safari on your own device. Make sure you are connected to your usual Wi-Fi or mobile network, not a public hotspot. Check the date and time on your phone or computer and enable automatic time if it is wrong. Go to My Account, Google.com and sign in if you can. If you cannot sign in, open g.co/recover and start the account recovery process. Enter your Gmail address and choose the option that you can access, like SMS or recovery email. Type the verification code exactly as you receive it and continue. When you get access, immediately go to Security in your Google account. Open recent security activity and review any sign-ins you do not recognize. If you see a device or location you do not know, select it and choose Secure Account or No, it wasn't me. Now open your devices and click Manage All Devices. Sign out of any device you do not use or do not recognize. Next, open Password and change your Gmail password to a strong new one. Use a long password with letters, numbers, and symbols and do not reuse an old password. After changing the password, sign in again on your main device to confirm it works. Go back to Security and open two-step verification. Turn on two-step verification and follow the prompts to add your phone. If available, add Google Authenticator or a security key for stronger protection. Scroll to Recovery Options and confirm your recovery email is correct. Confirm your recovery phone number is correct and accessible. Open third-party access and remove any app or service you do not trust. Open app passwords if you see them and remove any you did not create. Check Gmail settings and look for suspicious filters or forwarding addresses. Delete any unknown forwarding address and remove filters that delete or redirect mail. Run a malware scan on your computer or phone using a trusted security tool. Update your browser and operating system to the latest version. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Then restart the browser and sign in again. If the warning still appears, repeat account recovery and choose the option to confirm it is really you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.